Welcome back to the channel. Let's go dive at Aliwal Dive Centre and Lodge in South Africa. So Aliwal Shoal was never on my list to go dive because of the sharks. But due to COVID, my other plans was cancelled and I had to get in the water, and Aliwal Shoal was the closest to my home. Now what I really like about this dive center is the dive center is on the bottom floor and upstairs is all your accommodations, it's the lodge. So they have twin rooms available and they also have dormitory style rooms available for divers. Really nice and clean, really comfortable, everything is there that you need, no reason to drive around. So as previously said, these guys specialize in shark timing. They have 3 programs every year, big ones. One is the Sardine Run, one is the Shark Fest, and the other one is the Raggy Bonanza. They dive all year round, but they have these special events that you can book, and you need to book well in advance. Let's go dive! Now people come from all over the world to Aliwal to dive and see sharks, and that's why these guys are there. Now for me, I'm not into the shark diving kind of thing. I'm more a reef diver that enjoy corals and small stuff. This was interesting to see coral and sharks all together. There are some good reefs out there and there's also some good wrecks that you can dive. One thing that I would like to mention, and it's not part of the dive school, I mean it's not in their control, but be aware that there is strong currents. Now, there were some days where they dropped us off at the edge of the reef and we literally just flew over the reefs because the current was just that strong. I wanted to do some wrecks, but again the current was very, very strong. For somebody that just wants to drop down and take pictures of the reefs and the small reef life, this area is not ideal. But with that being said, this was special on a different level kind of diving. If you have the opportunity, go do it and go see what Aliwal has got to offer. Just a shout out to the staff of the Aliwal Dive Centre and Lodge. These guys are friendly, very helpful. The dive masters are very well trained and attentive to all their divers that's out there. Their skippers also, great guys, keeping all the divers safe and informed all the time, all the way. And here is just a quick blooper to show you vlogging is not always easy.